Stodmarsh National Nature Reserve is just outside Canterbury. This short video by John Walker from Canterbury starts in Stodmarsh village near the Red Lion pub. The reserve is owned by Natural England and managed for wildlife and visitors. It covers a square mile of internationally important reed beds, fens, ditches, wet grassland and open water, which provide an ideal habitat for breeding and wintering birds, invertebrates, and rare plants. This site is especially important for bittern, marsh harriers, and the shining ram's horn snail, which are rare across Europe, as well as water voles, which are rare in England. The waymarked trails across the reserve meander past wildlife hotspots and viewing hides. Interpretation panels at key points around the reserve provide further information about the special environment.
Stodmarsh has over 6 kilometers of footpaths, including a circular walk around the whole site. There are short and long easy access sensory trails at the Stodmarsh end of the reserve, both with wheelchair access. Flowing through the reserve is the Lampen stream, which starts its journey near Beaksbourne Lane, Canterbury. The stream continues through the reserve and finally joins the River Stour near the small village of Upstreet.
Reed bed management in operation. Reed beds are areas dominated by common reed, Phragmites australis, a perennial and flood-tolerant grass that grows to over 2 meters high. The reed beds provide an essential habitat for a wide range of plants, animals, insects, and invertebrates, and their decline over the last 3 centuries has had a devastating impact on this wildlife, particularly water voles, otters, water shrews, bitterns, and harvest mice. The reserve developed when coal mining subsidence formed marshland, with large reed beds, lakes, ditches, meadows and wet woodland. The reserve is open all year and admission is free. There are car parks at both ends of the reserve, one at Stodmarsh and the other at Grove Ferry.